Welcome to our tutorial on how to set a daily limit on Facebook. In today's fast-paced digital world, it's easy to get caught up scrolling through our feeds for hours. But don't worry, Facebook has a built-in feature to help you manage your time more effectively. Let's dive into the simple steps to set up this useful tool. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. You'll want to make sure you're using the most up-to-date version of the app for the best experience. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. It's usually located in the bottom right corner and looks like 3 horizontal lines. After tapping the menu icon, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on that, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new screen with various options to customize your Facebook experience. Now, under the Preferences section, you'll find Your Time on Facebook. Go ahead and tap on that. This feature is designed to give you insights into how much time you're spending on the app and help you make informed decisions about your usage. Once you're in the Your Time on Facebook section, look for Manage Your Time and tap on it. From there, select Daily Limit. This is where the magic happens. You can now choose how much time you want to allow yourself on Facebook each day. Pick a time limit that works for you. Maybe it's 15 minutes or perhaps an hour. Whatever you choose, make sure it aligns with your personal goals for social media usage. After selecting your preferred time limit, don't forget to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully set a daily limit on Facebook. The app will now notify you when you've reached your set time, giving you a gentle reminder to perhaps put down your phone and engage in other activities. Remember, this tool is here to help you, not restrict you. It's all about finding a healthy balance between staying connected and living your life offline. Happy Facebooking, and here's to more mindful scrolling.